welcome back. This is episode 2 of Zooz Bike Tours. I'm going to do a little Lower East Side run around my area, show you what's cool, mostly places to eat, a couple places to visit. I hope you enjoy. So our first stop on the tour is Pickle Guys. These guys have been around the Lower East Side forever. They are known, obviously, for their pickles. They pickle everything. Fruits, vegetables, you name it. It is delicious stuff. Once you start eating, you really can't stop. You can just go on and on. You want to try everything. No, I bought it like this. It's yeah, it's a new company called Zooz. They do, it's like, you know, old school BMX style.
Yeah, man, that reminds me of the old mongoose. Like.
Yeah, exactly, right? They're really fun.
How much you going for?
They range between like 1900 and 2900, depending on the model.
Pretty fast and battery lasts long?
This model goes like 33 miles an hour.
That's pretty fast.
And I can, you know, depending on how much I pedal or how much I full throttle, I can do 30 miles, 40 miles.
That's cool. I like that.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too now.
Now there's also a lot of really good pizza down here. You've seen me go to Grand Street. There's a whole bunch of other great pizza spots here. Now this spot here on Orchard and Delancey is the Tenement Museum. This place is awesome. If you ever want to find out some more about the history of what life was like down here on the Lower East Side, what life was like for poor people in the tenements back in the day, in the turn of the century, this is the place for it. It's really nice. More pizza. All right, so this is kind of a unique and weird spot. There's a giant statue of Lenin, famous communist leader in Russia, on the top of this building here. I know that it used to be located somewhere else and then it got relocated to this spot on top of this building, but it's still kind of a weird thing. So I figured I'd show you. Next spot is the famous Katz's Deli. Long-standing, famous eatery, one of New York City's most famous eateries. Some of the best Jewish deli food you can find. Man, it smells so good. You can actually smell them cooking this up early in the morning. And it just, oh man, it is so good. It just fills the whole neighborhood with delicious smells. If you've never been, you gotta try. There's also a lot of great burgers down here too, and I may be able to get you a peek at one of the pop-ups that comes around here. A buddy of mine runs a pop-up down here called Gotham Burger Social Club, and I think we might be able to catch him setting up tonight. What's up, asshole?
Hello.
What's going on?
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
How's it going?
How you doing?
Is that stupid thing on?
It is
that
on.
Your body cam?
It is on. I'm doing a little tour.
You're doing a tour?
I'm doing a tour. You want to try it?
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. Careful.
How does it work?
It's quick. Throttle's here.
Throttle's there.
Right, this little guy. Thumb.
He's like trying to probably wait until
Nina's going for a spin.
So you pedal and it's...
You can pedal and
motorized
it'll like push for you, but I usually just throttle. If you pedal, it'll start to move for you.
Yeah.
You'll feel it. Yeah. Give me some guns in this photo.
too? Guns?
Yeah, give me them guns. There we go. Nice. I haven't seen you forever, man.
I know, it's... I mean, I haven't gone out to anything in a long time.
Yeah.
You want bourbon?
Are you having? If you're having, I'm having.
I'm not gonna...
Cheers.
Just gonna sip that shot. Nice smooth whiskey.
Yeah. All right, man. Have a good one.
You too, bro.
I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, tight squeeze. Oh, that's all right. Thank you. So this next spot is called Freeman Alley. It's actually in an alley called Freeman's Alley. And it is a diner, bar, pub, really good food, really good drinks. And upstairs they have kind of a speakeasy tiki bar, which you need reservations for because it only sits like 15 or so people. Really awesome cocktails, great crispy octopus dish, whole octopus dish. Definitely need to check that out if you can. It's really fun. So I think that about does it for a quick run around Lower East Side. I mean, I could spend a whole day doing a pizza tour with you guys up and down Orchard, Grand Street, Ludlow. That whole area, there's about 5 or 6 different great pizza spots. And burgers too. I mean, I showed you my friend's pop-up place, Gotham Burger Social Club. Those are great smash burgers, just classic American style. Takes you back to your youth. There's a whole bunch of other good burgers in the area too. There's a couple of smash burgers, type like that same style, smash style. And then there's, you know, just your standard regular burgers too. Even just other places to eat around here, really good. There's the 10 Bells, a great wine bar, dollar oysters every day. Dudley's, just great American bar food. A couple of good Spanish places down by Canal Street, really good. Thank you for watching. Again, like, subscribe, leave comments, share, tell your friends, tell your fucking grandma.